In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Doordash app on Android. We're going to use the Google Play Store, which is the safest and most reliable way to get the official app on your Android phone. This method ensures you receive the authentic version with security updates and all the latest features. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet, ideally over Wi-Fi if you want to save data during the download. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, and the icon says Play Store. Once it's open, look to the top of the screen for the search bar. Tap it and type the word Doordash. Spelling it correctly helps the right result rise to the top. On the results page, look for the listing that reads Doordash, food, grocery, more. This is the official app you want. You'll typically see a red icon with a white symbol, and the listing will highlight that it handles food, grocery, and more. Tapping that result will take you to the apps page where you can see screenshots, ratings, and a description of what it offers. This page is a good place to confirm you're getting the genuine app before proceeding. Next, tap the Install button. The app is free to download, and once you tap Install, your phone will begin fetching the files it needs. You'll see a progress indicator while it downloads and sets up. The time this takes can vary depending on your connection speed and storage space, so give it a moment. If your device has limited space, consider closing other apps or removing unused items beforehand to help the process go smoothly. When the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Doordash right away. You can also find it anytime later in your app drawer. From here, the app will guide you through getting started. Doordash lets you order from nearby restaurants and stores, track your delivery in real time, and even schedule orders for later. You may see prompts to enable helpful features like notifications or location access. These allow the app to alert you when your order is on the way and to show accurate delivery options in your area. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded the official Doordash app from the Google Play Store using the recommended method. Enjoy exploring the menus, checking out grocery options, and using real-time tracking and scheduled delivery to make your day a little easier.